Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I've got a real quick Aliexpress. Always check your bags before you toss them. I do. I know it didn't look like I did, but I did. I've got a real quick Aliexpress haul. Oh, look, look, look. This is going to be for the, the historical clothing. This is going to be for the purses for Elizabeth and Felicity. So that's cool.
That's pretty.
That is pretty. And it wasn't that expensive. Okay, I should have shoes. Should be 7 pairs. I love these, what is it called? Incandescent.
Iridescent.
Iridescent. I always say incandescent. I don't know why. Because I'm stupid, I guess.
Dyslexic.
Yeah, it has a lot to do with it. Shoes were really inexpensive. I think it was a sale, and I think I'm missing a pair. Nope. Let's see, 5, 7, yep. These were like, can you see the shimmer and shine on those? Those are gorgeous shoes. Here's some gold incandescent for...
Iridescent?
Yeah, that's it. For, probably for Christmas, and some gold.
So for your leprechauns.
And green, yeah, for sure. How cool is that? Anyway, I started to say these were all on sale for less than $1.50. Probably should have got more because I'm always looking for shoes. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and join us on Thursday evenings at 6 p.m. Central, where we're live and we have a good time, and I throw out some trivia that'll make your eyes roll.